Hello, welcome to ES Accounting. This video will cover on the new feature that we have just deployed on customer and supplier maintenance. Both customer and supplier maintenance use the same screen or looks exactly the same, right? So today I will just go through the how to create customers and or rather how to maintain the customers, right? Now they are applicable to the supplier too. Now to access to your customer maintenance, go to your same screen, customer maintenance. And the first thing they will show you is in this format rather than the old format. To create a customer, all you have to do is just type the customer name, okay, and B, okay, assuming the name of the customer is A and B. So as you can see, there's a group 2, which I've already defined already the system default group 2 to trade debtors. Now you can leave it as it is, or you can type it over here. I want to demonstrate to you that the system automatically populates the trade debtor to customer B. Okay, so what I'm going to do is that I'm going to create a customer now. All you have to do is click onto the add button and you can see the A and B has been created. Now the account assigned is actually in the old format, which is X followed by the running sequence number. Now, if you want to delete the account customer name, or you want to delete the customer, all you have to do is click onto this customer that you are not interested and just click onto the delete button and then click OK, it goes away. Okay, so this is how you create and remove the customer. Now, I want to touch on a little bit over here. Okay, how does the system knows what account to assign to for customer B? Okay, so assuming after you have created assuming you have created all the data, you want to start fresh again. All you have to do is just highlight, okay, and then right click, remove the row, and you can start all over again. Okay, so you can type C, customer C here. Now, I mentioned if you add C, okay, you can automatically assign a trade debtor. Now, how does the system knows what account to assign to? Now, we have actually introduced two accounts, okay, two types of accounts, special accounts, to make it easier for you to create, um, uh, to assign the, default accounts, okay, control accounts. Now, if you go to the chart account, okay, and you find this trade debtors, you'll see that we have assigned DC, okay. We have introduced two new accounts. One is the default supplier account and default customer account, all right. So once you have done this, then the system will automatically populate the default control account. So you don't have to worry too much about that, okay. So let me go back to here. Assuming that let's say you do not choose any of this default control account for trade debtors, and let's say I save this, okay, and I go back to my customer maintenance, and I try to create A, okay, and add customer. It says that no defined control account, default control account was set up. So you have to go back there to set it up, okay. So now I'm going to go back here to change the control account, chart account, okay, trade, change it back to my special account, customer account, customer control account, save it. So I have already defined and set up that control account. So I don't have to type and I don't have to worry that I did not assign the control account. Okay, so I'll go back to my customer maintenance. I can see my C assigned to here. Now you can change the account. Okay, after you have created, you can change the account. You can choose whatever account that you would like it to be. Okay, from here and highlight and save it. Okay, in this case they're not related. It could be other account. Okay, other debtors. Okay, so if it's other debtor, you save, all right, and it's done. Okay, so you come back here and see, check again, these are the debtor. Okay, now there was a request to allow you to customize your account code. So if you want to change the account code, you can come here to change it. 3,000. Okay, 100. All you have to do is highlight this one. I want to change, save it. Now you can do it for multiple customers. You don't have, you're not necessarily only one customer at a time. You can do it hundreds of them. Okay, the maximum that we allow you is 100. Okay, so 100 customers, I mean, you can do it at 100 customers at one go. Okay, so now, okay, for for users who are not familiar with this, okay, I'll not have never used our system before and wants to know what's the significance over here. Um, I'll just quickly run through some of the features over here. Open item here indicates that whatever payments that you have received or received from your customer, you have to manually offset it. Okay, so when you click open item, this is what it means. You have to manually offset it, right? Now, trading currency is very important. If you choose a foreign currency and okay, then it will automatically computes the forex gain and losses. Okay. Now, what about the ownership? Okay, and have a better control in that sense. Okay, trading account is like your sales account. In this case, your customer is always your sales account, and if it is a supplier, then it's a purchase account. Okay, now what I've demonstrated to you is just the some of the information I've said, and you have a question: what happens to the address? Okay, what happens to so many other information? Well, you can change the columns over here by clicking to change editable fields over here. In here, if I were to say highlight, show me all, I don't want control account, I don't want ownership, okay, I don't want to see trading currency, I can hide all this information and I'll see only this limited information. If I want to see other information, okay, then I want to have the address, okay, I just set this on, right, and the billing address comes up. Now, but if I want to have my address, okay, GST number, I want it to be bigger, I can change it over here, okay. See the GST number has increased, okay. So you can resize the columns, okay, to fit to your data entry requirements over here, okay. All right, so these are a few features that we have introduced, and we believe you can create hundreds of them or even up to 1,000. You can copy from Excel and paste it over here onto the screen, and just create add customer, and you can upload your entire customer database into a system. Okay, so it's very easy for you to maintain, and yeah. Okay, let me see what else that I need to cover. Go through my checklist. Yep. Okay, so I guess that's it. Okay, I've covered all the key areas. Okay, I believe it's very easy. Now you want to look back at the video, okay, and come to the link. Okay? Always on the top right hand side, there's always a video on how to use, okay, this system. Right, that's it. Right, thank you.